Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix The Last of Us Part 2. Keep like crashing basically and freezing, stuck on black screen. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and open up Steam. If you have it downloaded through Steam, what you can then do is make your way over to Library, look for The Last of Us Part 2. Once you find it, right click on it, hit Properties. From Properties, make your way over to Installed Files and go ahead and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now once this game is done verifying, you guys should be good to go. You can go ahead and X out, and what that basically does is that it just checks to see if there are any corrupt files and it fixes that issue. Now the second method you guys can try doing is once the game actually opens, and if you're able to go to the settings, go to settings and just turn down your graphics. It's possible your PC is not able to handle the max settings, so go ahead and just turn down the graphics, so turn it just down, like quality maybe a little bit lower. And the third method you guys can do is go over to search bar again, type in device manager, go over to display adapters, and go ahead and right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Just basically update your drivers. This will also help fix the issue. Once you're done with all of these steps, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.